Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Cognism data to improve LinkedIn outreach targeting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Cognism account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Data Settings section. In the Data Settings, find the option for LinkedIn integration. Click on the integration option to proceed. You will see a prompt to connect your LinkedIn account. Select the Authorize button to initiate the authorization process. After clicking, you will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Login. Once logged in, LinkedIn will ask for permission. Review the permissions and click Allow. You will be taken back to the Cognism dashboard. Confirm that your LinkedIn account is now successfully connected. Next, access the targeting section within Cognism. Here, you can filter the data according to your outreach criteria. Adjust the filters based on industry, job title, or location. This will narrow down your audience to the most relevant prospects. After setting your filters, save your configuration. Now, you can start building targeted lists for your LinkedIn outreach. Use these lists to send personalized connection requests. Craft custom messages tailored to each segment of your audience. Monitor your outreach results within Cognism. Analyze the engagement metrics to refine your targeting strategy. Consider A/B testing different messages to optimize response rates. Continue to regularly update your targeting criteria based on results. This process will help ensure your LinkedIn outreach remains effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.